DIY tips you need to learn right now.
Make a trim brush.
Hair clippers.
Super neat lines.
Cracked putty repair.
Epoxy filler.
While it's wet, apply masking tape.
Smooth it through the masking.
Let it set.
Minimal sanding required.
Hollow core repair.
Popsicle sticks. Miter bond.
Epoxy putty.
Acrylic black satin paint. Sticky paintwork.
Steel wool.
Wallpaper behind a fixed radiator.
Coins as weights.
Stripping wallpaper.
Buy a hedgehog. Add tons of washing liquid. Let it soak.
Then just pull it off, minimal scraping required.